Hello everyone, welcome to the Petit Vour unboxing for October 2018. Petit Vour is a retail brand that makes shopping for cruelty-free beauty products absolutely effortless. They also offer monthly beauty boxes valued up to $60. Here's what the beauty box looks like for October 2018. It looks absolutely marvelous, and I'm so proud to showcase these products as they are all cruelty-free and ethically produced. Our first product is the Gold Baden MD Bright Eyes Under Eye Cream. This cream is designed to get rid of the dark circles under your eyes. It reduces the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines. Here's what the cream looks like. Just a simple white cream, very similar to a lotion. This cream contains soy and arnica, which are both proven to brighten skin and reduce discoloration. It is a very lightweight cream and it absorbs immediately into the skin. It's supposed to be used AM and PM, and I'm going to see if it actually works. Stay tuned for that. Our next product is the KANI Botanicals Prismatic Highlighter Balm. This highlighter shines bright with iridescent, color-shifting pigments that leave skin subtly shimmering and dewy. Here is how the packaging looks. It's very luxurious. This is a very thick glass little container it's in with a screw top cap. Here's how the highlighter looks. It is a cream base and it's very, very iridescent and shimmery looking. I'm just gonna do a swatch for you guys. I left it in my car, so I had to warm it up a bit. Look at how pigmented that is. Insanely pigmented. It is a beautiful warm gold color. Look at that. You really do not need much product there to achieve a highlighted look. Here is how it would look on my face. I'm just gonna give a little bit of a demonstration here of just how pigmented and potent this highlighter is. I'm very, very impressed with it. And it's probably my favorite thing in the box this month. Can you guys see that? It's pretty bright. The next product is the My Couture Bamboo Charcoal Blotting Paper. It's meant to remove dirt buildup, unwanted oil, shine, and perspiration from skin without disturbing your makeup. Bamboo charcoal effectively draws out pollutants, absorbing the skin's impurities and toxins for a more clear matte complexion. Here is how the sheets perform. So I'm just going to give them a try here. Just patting my T-zone. I do have extremely oily skin, so these are really going to come in handy, especially at work where my skin gets really, really oily. Wow, they work. Yep, they work. And the last product is the Formulary 55 Rosehip and Clay Facial Mask. Detoxify and soften skin naturally with this gentle pink clay facial mask that removes toxins without over-drying the skin. So this mask comes powdered and you have to add water to it yourself to the desired consistency before applying it to your face. You can also use it as an exfoliation mask by just adding less water and making it more coarse. You are supposed to leave it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask is very simple. It has French white and pink clay, rosehip powder, which is known to nourish the skin and help with blemishes and scars, ground comfrey root, which soothes the skin, and organic rose geranium, which I believe wakes the skin up, which I felt a lot putting this mask on. It really wakes up your skin and stimulates a lot of blood flow. I left it on for 15 minutes and I was very impressed when I took it off. My skin was soft, smooth, my pores looked a lot smaller and my skin looked very calm and the inflammation was greatly reduced. So this was a great mask and I'm kind of sad they didn't send me more. If you enjoy these unboxing videos, please subscribe. I'll have lots to come.